You're so sweet. So yay, Trinity! Can you clap? Yay! You got to fall asleep? Yay, Trinity! Yeah, good job. What are you eating? Are you eating animal crackers? Yay! Yeah. Leave it in there. Leave it alone. You pull your hair out? Probably. Hey, you're supposed to put them in your mouth. Missy. No, no, no. Put it in your mouth. Eat it. Don't want it? You don't want it? No. Don't want it? Say, I love you. Oh, goodness. Oh, my. Oh, goodness. Oh. Mm. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave? Tell them all bye-bye. Say love you. Hugs and kisses from Texas. Trinity Rose. Can you blow a kiss? Or too busy eating. Bye-bye.